How do you keep your tablecloth from blowing away on a windy day? Well, I've seen people use duct tape and wrap bungee cords around the whole tabletop, and they make special clips you can buy, but the clips don't always fit on the table and they break and fall off. Well, I found a simple solution that'll work on any table with any tablecloth. Go out and buy these little plastic clips. They're called Tarp clips, and they're specifically designed for holding down tarps. Instead of punching a grommet hole in it, you can use this. And we're going to use it to hold down the tablecloth with a small bungee cord. I'm going to first take one of the clips and slide it on to the edge of the tablecloth and push up this little retainer and tighten it up, and there you go. That's not coming off. Then I'm going to take a short bungee cord and hook it onto here. And I've got one on the other side I installed earlier, and I'm just going to connect the two of them with the bungee. There you go. And it pulls it nice and tight, pulls out all the wrinkles. You can see if I tip this up, I put one down on the other side. There are two, one on each side. And now, no matter how much the wind blows, your tablecloth will stay put.